in this session of exercise 6.5, we will study question 1. Find the maximum and minimum value of the function. So first function is the given fx equals to 2x minus 1 square plus 3. So f dash x we have 2 into 2x minus 1 and f dash double dash x equals to 2 into 2, so 4. So f dash x equals to 0, x equals to 1 by 2 and f double dash 1 by 2 equals to 4, which is greater than 0, and so fx has local minima 8, x equals to 1 by 2, which is f1 by 2 equals to 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 square plus 3. So this value becomes 0 and so it is 3. And so fx minimum value is 3 while f double dash is not negative and so it do not have maximum value. Second question we are given in the first question fx equals to 9x square plus 12x plus 2. So f dash x we will have 18x plus 12 and f double dash x we will have only 18, and so f dash x is 0 when x is equals to minus 12 by 18 means minus 2 by 3. And f double dash minus 2 by 3 is equals to 18, which is greater than 0, and so we can say that f has local minima 8, x equals to minus 2 by 3. So we calculate it, then f minus 2 by 3 equals to 9 into 4 by 9 plus 12 into minus 2 by 3 plus 2. So 9 cancel. So here 3 4s are, so 4 minus 8 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 6 minus 8 is minus 2, and so its local minimum value at x equals to minus 2 by 3 is minus 2. The third question we are given fx equals to minus of x minus 1 square plus 10. So f dash x we can take minus of 2 into x minus 1 and f double dash x is minus 2. So f dash x equals to 0, 8, x equals to 1, and so f double dash 1 we calculate, which is minus 2 less than 0. And so we can say that fx has local maxima at x equals to 1 and which is f1 equals to 10. As x equals to 1 we submit here, and so local maximum value is x equals to 10. Sorry, f1 equals to 10 and x equals to 1. Now next question we have gx equals to x cube plus 1. So g dash x we will have 3x square and g double dash x we have 6x, and so g dash x equals to 0, 8x equals to 0 and g double dash 0 will be 0. So your second derivative is also 0, and so second derivative test failed. Fails. So we go through first derivative test. Then 3x square is greater than 0 for all x belongs to R, and so 0's left side or right side we check nearby value, it will be positive only, and so x equals to 0 is point of inflection. And so x equals to 0 has neither maximum or minimum value. Now question 2 we have find the maximum and minimum values of the given function. So fx equals to given modulus x plus 2 minus 1. So we know that modulus x plus 2 is always greater than or equals to 0. And so modulus x plus 2 minus 1 we do, then it is greater than or equals to 0 minus 1, which is minus 1. And so the given function has no maximum value, but its minimum value is minus 1, which will be 8. X equals to minus 2. Now we have second question, gx equals to minus modulus x plus 1 plus 3. So we have here, we know that modulus x plus 1 is greater than or equals to 0. So minus modulus x plus 1 will be less than or equals to 0. And so minus modulus x plus 1 plus 3 is less than or equal to 0 plus 3. And so the 3 is the highest value of this function. So fx is less than or equals to 3. And so gx maximum value will be 3, but it do not have the minimum value. Now we have the next question, hx equals to sin 2x plus 5. So we know that minus 1 less than or equals to sin 2x less than or equals to 1. And so 5 we add both the sides, then minus 1 plus 5 sin 2x plus 5 less than or equals to 1 plus 5. So we can write 4 less than or equals to hx less than or equals to 6. And so hx is the minimum value 4 and maximum value 6. Now we are given the next function, modulus sin 4x plus 3. So we know that minus 1 less than or equals to sin 4x less than or equals to 1. So minus 1 plus 3 less than or equals to sin 4x plus 3 less than or equals to 1 plus 3. So 2 less than or equals to sin 4x plus 3 less than or equals to 4. So here modulus of the positive values between 2 and 4, it will remain positive only. And so 2 less than or equals to modulus of sin 4x plus 3 less than or equals to 4. And so minimum value of the given function is 2 and maximum value is 4. Now hx is given x plus 1 where x belongs to minus 1 to 1. So h dash x we take it is 1 and h double dash x is 0. So a second derivative test fails. While h dash x cannot be 0, and so by first derivative test hx has neither maximum value nor minimum value. We have the question, we find the local maximum and minimum value for the following function. Find also local maximum and minimum values as in case may be. So first function is given fx equals to x square. So we differentiate with respect to fx. With respect to x, then it is 2x, and again its derivative we take f dash x, then it is 2, and so second derivative is 2. So f dash x is 0, and x equals to 0, and f double dash 0 is 2, which is greater than 0. So f has local minima at x equals to 0, and that will be f0 equals to 0. And so local minimum value is the 0 at x equals to 0. Now we have the second question, gx equals to x cube minus 3x. So g dash x with respect to x we take the differentiation, then 3x square minus 3, and so 3 we take out common, then x square minus 1, so 3 into x minus 1, x plus 1. Now g double dash x we take, then it is 6x. So g dash x equals to 0 at x equals to 1 and x equals to minus 1. So g double dash 1 equals to 6, which is greater than 0, and so gx has local minima minimum value at x equals to 1 by second derivative test, and that will be g1 equals to 1 cube minus 3 into 1. So 1 minus 3 minus 2, and g double dash minus 1 we take, then minus 6 less than 0. So gx has local maximum at x equals to minus 1, and that will be g minus 1 will be minus 1 cube 3 into minus 1. So it is minus 1 plus 3, which is 2. Now third question, we have hx equals to sin x plus cos x, where x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, and so h dash x we take, it is cos x minus sin x, and so h double dash x we take, which is again minus sin x minus cos x. So h dash x is equals to 0 at x equals to pi by 4, and so h double dash pi by 4 we take, then minus sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4, which is minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So minus 2 by root 2, which is minus root 2 less than 0, and so hx has local maximum value at x equals to pi by 4, and that will be h pi by 4 will be sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. So it is 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2, which is root 2. Fourth question we have fx equals to sin x minus cos x, 0 less than x less than 2 pi. So f dash x we will have minus cos x plus sin x, and f double dash x we will have minus sin x plus cos x. So f dash x equals to 0, then minus tan x equals to 1, which gives the tan x equals to minus 1, and so tan x equals to minus 1 in this interval at x equals to 3, which second quadrant means 3 pi by 4, and fourth quadrant means 7 pi by 4. So f double dash 3 pi by 4 we take, and minus sin 3 pi by 4 plus cos 3 pi by 4, and so it is in second quadrant sin is positive, so minus 1 by root 2, and cos is negative, so minus 1 by root 2, so minus 2 by root 2, which is minus root 2 less than 0. So f has local maximum at x equals to pi by 4, which is 3 pi by 4, which is f3 pi by 4 equals to sin 3 pi by 4 minus cos 3 pi by 4. So 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, so 2 by root 2, which is root 2. Now f double dash 7 pi by 4 we take, and it is minus 7 sin 7 pi by 4. So fourth quadrant sin is negative, so minus or minus, so plus 1 by root 2, and cos 7 pi by 4. Again fourth quadrant cos is positive, so plus 1 by root 2, so it is 2 by root 2, which is root 2 greater than 0, and so f has local minimum, and the local minimum value will be sin 7 pi by 4 minus cos 7 pi by 4. So it is minus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2, so minus 2 by root 2, which is minus root 2. Fifth question we have fx equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 15. So f dash x equals to 3x square minus 12x plus 9. So 3 we take out common, and x square minus 4x plus 3. Now f double dash x we will have 6x minus 12, and so f dash x equals to 0, and 3x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. So x minus 3, x minus 1 equals to 0. So it x equals to 3 and x equals to 1, f dash x is 0. So f double dash 3 we take, then it is 6 into 3, 18 minus 12, 6, which is greater than 0. So f has local minimum 8 x equals to 3, and that we can calculate f3 equals to 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus 9 into 3 plus 15. So 27 minus 9 6 is 54 plus 27 plus 15. So 27 cancel with the 54, and so 15 is there. Now f double dash 1 we calculate, then 6 minus 12 minus 6 less than 0. So f has local maximum at x equals to 1, and that will be f1 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 9 into 1 plus 15, and so which will be 1 minus 6 plus 9 plus 15. So 10, 15, 25, 25 minus 6 will be 19. So minimum value we have 15 and maximum value we have 19 at x equals to 1. Sixth question, we have x by 2 plus 2 by x. So g dash x we will have 1 by 2 minus 2 by x square, and g double dash x we will have 0, and here minus 2, and x raised to minus 2 differentiation we can read x cube, and here into minus 3, so 6 by x cube. Now g dash x equals to 0 at x equals to, then 1 by 2 minus 2 by x square equals to 0. So 2 by x square equals to 1 by 2, and so x square equals to 4. So x equals to plus or minus 2. So g double dash 2 we take, then 6 by 2 cube, which is 6 by 8 greater than 0, and so fx and gx has local minimum at x equals to 2, and it will be g2 will be 1 plus 1, which is 2, and g double dash minus 2 will take, that is 6 by minus 8 less than 0, and so gx has local maximum at x equals to minus 2, which will be minus 1 plus minus 1, which is minus 2. Seventh question, we have gx equals to 1 upon x square plus 2. So g dash x equals to minus 1 upon x square plus 2 whole square, and x square differentiation is the 2x. Now g double dash x we will have x square plus 2 square, so it is 4 power x square plus 2 whole square as it is, and 2x differentiation 2 minus sign here, so minus of minus plus 2x as it is, and x square plus 2 whole square differentiation, and 2x square plus 2 into 2x. Now g dash x equals to 0 at x equals to 0, and so g double dash 0 we take, and this term will be 0. Here we submit, then 0 plus 2 square, so 4 into 2 8, plus this total term is the 0 upon here 2 raised to 4 16, which will be greater than 0, and so gx has local minimum at x equals to 0, which is g0 equals to 1 by 2. Eighth question, we have fx equals to x under root 1 minus x. So f dash x we will calculate, then it is under root 1 minus x as it is, x in differentiation 1 plus x as it is, under root 2 under root 1 minus x into minus 1. So we simplify, and 2 minus 2x minus x by 2 under root 1 minus x, so which is 2 minus 3x by 2 under root 1 minus x. Now f double dash x we do, and it is 4 1 minus x 2 under root 1 minus x as it is, and minus 3 minus 2 minus 3x as it is, and here differentiation 2 into 1 by 2 root 1 minus x into minus 1, so 2 will cancel, and minus 1 will become plus here. So it is 2 root 1 minus 6 root 1 minus x plus 2 minus 3x by under root 1 minus x upon 4 into 1 minus x. So we take the LCM, then minus 6 into 1 minus x plus 2 minus 3x upon 4 into 1 minus x, which will be minus 6 plus 6x, so minus 6 plus 2 and 6x minus 3x, so 6x minus 3x will be 3x, and here minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 4 upon 4, here 3 by 2 power, so 1 minus x is to 3 by 2. Now f dash x equals to 0, it x equals to 2 by 3, so f double dash 2 by 3 we do, and it is 3 into 2 by 3 minus 4 upon 4 into 1 minus 2 by 3 raised to 3 by 2. So here minus 2 by 4 into 1 minus 2 by 3 raised to 3 by 2, which is less than 0, and so f has local maximum value at x equals to 2 by 3, and that will be f2 by 3 will be 2 by 3 into under root 1 minus 2 by 3. So we take the LCM, then 3 minus 2, so 2 by 3, here 3 minus 2 1 by root 3, so 2 by 3 root 3.